What's up, traders? The question on everybody's mind is what is going to happen next, guys? Where is SPY going? Where is SPX going? All you have to do is watch one stock, guys, and that's Nvidia. Okay, you see we have three major support areas. Number one here was broken today. A lot of bad news will do that, especially bad numbers, guys. Okay, so you want to be a student of the market and you want to go research number. Okay, I want you guys to Google something, okay, and that is inverted yield curve. Okay, go look that up and tell me in the comments what it means and what you think it means to the market. Okay, we are there, guys. Okay, and when that happens, okay, it is good night market. Now what's gonna happen tomorrow? This is the weekly candle. Okay, we are currently closed, and in the aftermarket, guys, we close at 100. So Nvidia has a nice gap still before they see that support. Now I will give Nvidia this, guys. Okay, we do have somewhat of a support area there. Okay, I can draw that line, but all I'm gonna do is make you happy if you're holding calls, guys. Okay, if you're holding calls and you didn't make money and they're super red, it's because you're not using any type of tools. This indicator tells me right here that we are turning on the weekly. Okay, now this other indicator tells me that we are in a sell signal, and this one down here, we are right at the 50 line, guys, on the RSI. Okay, the first two indicators you get when you join the bull ring, this one at the bottom is free. Go ahead into indicators up here on TradingView and type RSI. You get that for free. My indicators are on sale. Okay, if you lost money and you want to keep losing money, don't even come look up the indicators, guys. But this is what is going on with the market, and what else will tell you that the market is going to continue to go down? If you said VIX, cha-ching, guys, you are on the right track. Keep looking at VIX and see what is going on. You see how scared people got? Okay, I drew this out and I put it in the video, guys. I also put this in the bull ring, gave everybody an alert. We are above 19, guys. When you get above 19, it gets dangerous, very dangerous. Okay, you just got to go look at the past and see, boom, this thing is for real. Okay, we're not done. Look at that. Okay, how far can we go up? As far as they want. We have gone all the way up to 84. We went up to 65 today, I believe, and then we came back down. We're not done. Okay, why are we not done? Okay, great question. Big gap right here, big gap, and it just represents exactly what's happened every year or every 7 to 8 years, guys. Okay, it represents that this is a full market correction, and all the financial numbers, GDP, CPI, PCE, jobless claim number, guys, inverted curve yield. Yes, I do all that. I spend my time doing all that. Why? So I can help you out. Okay, join the bull ring, guys. I do all the heavy lifting. If you don't want to make money, that's fine. Continue to watch these videos for entertainment. Hey, maybe that'll pay money one day. All right, I just want to go back for 1 second to Nvidia, guys. See this? Okay, you've got 4 candles. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna tell you. These 3 are teardrops, and this is the 4th teardrop, which is a bigger teardrop. Imagine someone was crying. Okay, you see that? What do you see here? Oh, that's right, 3 teardrops and then 1 big teardrop, guys. SPX, what do you see here, guys? 3 big teardrops. Okay, and then a huge 4th teardrop. Microsoft, same thing, it's crying. Google, okay. QQQ, guys. QQQ has nothing to do with S&P 500 yet. 3 big teardrops and then a 4th larger teardrop. This is the NASDAQ. Why is it following S&P, which is SPY, SPX? Why is it following? Everybody is following Nvidia, guys. So before you go in and buy anything, go look at what Nvidia is doing, guys. Okay, the clouds tell you the story. Okay, And if you don't know how to chart, then you need to join the bull ring, guys. And I'm going to leave you guys a link below so you can sign up for my courses. They are way cheaper than some of the losses people are taking. And I keep seeing all these losses, guys, and I don't understand it. You have to get coached. You have to get education. Mentoring, coaching works, okay? When you see the results, you're going to come back and say, you know what? That guy was right. All right. I thought I'd give you guys a quick update so you're not nervous on what's going on with the market. This is normal stuff, okay? Big time stuff, though, every 7 to 8 years. Again, description down below will have a link so you can take 10% off, guys, the courses, and you can take 10% off the new swing trading course, guys. Okay, in the swing trading course, I cover this right here. This is a swing. This is a swing. This is a swing. Okay. Leaving you 10% link, guys. Don't forget, until the next video, I am wishing you a green day tomorrow.